Etienne near the alleged killer of Joan Deladem Yabini. Yedin go PM ewo court. It was a court equatina assembly so Daniel Tuffuor. Court equatina assembly so. I'm at the end of the day no court to assembly ashada. A high Penyah blog be remember full details. Mr. Rossi need them over like if you don't know subscribe button so. Now back like couple of questions now corner for latest update. Travel to the wide mama ewo comment section. Any day ma. Eya no shave them on so enye bi ahwe. It's mama full update. Information court and assembly so. Anwa in the early hours of yesterday, Thursday, 27th March, 27th February 2025, Anna a pop up on the internet say, KNUST lady be a friend of Joan Yabani Deladem, Wu at the campus as a Ahomachi removed to know, and a school for an eco piano. So, assembly in an say, Omu ever try make sem, I and no better make sem, 80 Omu no me nipa 4, and Omu question Omu koye, Omu eco 2 mining. Omo ko prepare they are going to burn the 9th candle because adechia omo make sem actually eti enipa 4 a ema mienu eka no ono ene ne boyfriend eti Deladem the boyfriend Daniel Tuffuor ana girls 2 ena omo kan is omo kosua de eti ewiemu ya tete kakra no ana Deladem ene ne boyfriend no ko mu nyina no ode ne boy eda hostel baako one boy no ekra girls 2 say ni omo eba. There's more be restive said be enough energy for ade paper na eda omonim. Ejemo say that was the last time omu hu Deladem and the boyfriend Daniel Tuffuor. After so omuko 2 mine and omu Penyah is omu eteki the lead. According to ladies in there, omu hanas omu tie say entiatemu bi ekoso. E wa bontene. Oba ile say omo say Deladem ewu eda honum lifeless or da ho. It ebe causes some kind of fear and panic. I Daniel no Daniel so oh hene later I say omo portal so no lady be edi record ebe to them say oh Daniel nyamiadum omo ho no kwa no ho ye.
Okay, so guys, according to Michelle, she said she has been able to reach Daniel, and according to Daniel, when they were going, I think they had some fights or something. So when they were walking, she asked him to take the so Danny took the lead, and then he went, like they were all going, but he didn't realize when this thing happened to her, or let's say when he turned back he didn't see her, and he didn't think that this is what was going to happen to her. So right now Danny is in his room, he's fine.
What I said Daniel there omo ho no, but it was alleged say armed robbers and a better share Deladem so ebe kun no. Until later say asem no abaye bibie wo ho say armed robber omu frɛ hen security ewo ho den na armed robber timi e break the wall eba campus to the sense obe kun obi den ATM school no was okay no investigation into that. Even there was a press statement from the management of KNUST obi ewu it was alleged say armed robbers near there, but now the body in Echo Hospital for autopsy and other investigation. It will move so they are making investigation into the story. And later, I don't go ahead the CCTV footage. It always CCTV footage, you know. Not just say nipa kra. The last person on Deladem enam no. Onu kwani nipa owo mu CCTV no e capture or no. I say in the video na he was assaulting the lady. Enti omuko dom so no. Na guy na eye Daniel Tuffuor na oye Deladem the boyfriend no. Atalia na ohye black Atalia no ohye. Nipa kro na CCTV camera de capture no say on the kun Deladem no. That are kro na anana onua so ehye. Trouser kro. Na they say one about the prime suspect. The place for eche no. But as Emma later, the management of KNUST said the press this member was okay. Following the investigation, wait me achi nipa bakwa according to rumors kwan or ye girl no boyfriend. Later, Anna say campus on no be here man for terms no. The lie them crying the boyfriend that they to free kwan. Omo relationship no. Aye bibia wo ho. Odo nim. odo ni go muta omu amanfo ekura kire mu se ta asort lady ne pa in fact what ta asort no e ma amanfo kura kan bi se girl ni guy ni nyai ko guy no tempa so bi ani so e ma even kura no guy ni papa kura beti girl no warning ese on ti ni ho free girl no ho ba still girl no entie aye se kambu so amanfo kire mu se on guy ni de muta ham so even 2 days before that issue according to ladies you claim say guy no kura seize girl no phone e mo ne girl no be praise ye ni ade je say o muta akon like on ta ne girl no kon eti say o mate say guy no da ku na you know to them no there enhyere nya omu ngongo biasa because guy no he can do that eti ene another na yi on akwa prime suspect eti ne na say ebusu ya de omu call court.
I don't know, remember Muncho be do so. Obi on a different person. We see another
Na say na court and say city no that courtroom no e fa nipa 8 pe iti ba 8 pe even na busiafo no kura dojo na enye bi anko iti o man santrofo bia entimi ama na ankure ho bi iti justice court na case no so ye enye ne din any details but say asem no ko si ye no ekotwa tie nyina ne say court ahye say yemfa Daniel Tuffuor enkotwe prison go kumo na otwe miensa as they keep on carrying their investigation iti now no omo are reminded Daniel Tuffuor 3 weeks say ba no kwatwe mo Central Police Station eti omo nyame adomo a March mu exactly 3 weeks by today 16th March mu ho baby ana yesi ansamfa Daniel Tuffuor emla court biem na afi de court ewo no omo enene enka eti rana no de this is the update concerning annual issue na is it KNUST campus bia aba abetru ye need this story na echi the wait for to from bia no ye ba besom aha Penyah Block Media.